Hey friends, if MSN Games is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So since it is browser specific, here's how we will work towards it. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol here, and then clear all of these. Then click on this third dot at the top right corner, extensions, manage extensions, disable any problematic extension, and if it helps then remove it. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner and also select settings, reset settings, restore settings to default and reset it. So this is how you can fix the issue, because the issue is not with MSN Games, it is with the browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.